Product Placement in Primetime Television, a study done by Danielle Lee, Delaney Perdue, Sarah Sweeten, Tamara Brown, Olivia Franco, and Melanie Payson. The purpose of this study was to determine the relationship between genre and product placement in primetime television shows. We conducted this study to gain a better understanding about why products are more prominently placed during various primetime TV shows and genres. We used stratified sampling to conduct a systematic, objective, quantitative form of content analysis. We hypothesized teen drama would have the most products placed, followed by drama, family and children, and comedy. This hypothesis was not supported by our findings. The other three hypotheses we had, which were supported by our findings, were technology was featured most in the foreground of the show, more overall visual products were featured, and lastly, more illusions would be featured in the family and children genre. The family and children's shows that were selected to use in this study restricted and censored the products featured in their shows. This was a significant finding because this genre had a lot of technology products but did not directly refer to a specific brand. The Big Bang Theory had the most products placed in their show out of all of the shows in this study. However, How I Met Your Mother, the other comedy show, featured the least amount of products in this study. According to this study, technology was the most prevalent product placed in the featured television shows. However, our findings pointed out that alcohol and tobacco, along with toys and sports equipment, had the lowest amount of products placed in this study. We recommend future studies operationalize all definitions of categories and places before independently coding to increase intercoder reliability. Giving viewers follow-up surveys could allow the researcher to see if the viewer is more likely to recognize or use the brand after the product is placed in a show. These could also assess if those outside of the show's demographic respond to product placement. In the future, follow-up surveys of viewers could determine if placement of a product by the main character's placing has a significant effect on the audience. We thought it would also be interesting if future research recorded which gender placed more products in shows.